Welcome to my channel Tech.
Today my topic is Introduction to Microcontroller. A microcontroller is a complete microprocessor system consisting of microprocessor, limited amount of ROM or EEPROM, RAM and input-output ports built on a single integrated circuit. So, microcontroller is in fact a computer, but it is called so because it is used to perform some control functions and some dedicated functions. Is generally used for control functions so called as microcontroller. The peculiarity of microcontroller is it is low cost as compared to microprocessor. It includes a full implementation of a standard microprocessor, random access memory, read-only memory, clock circuit, input and output ports, and timer events. For example, 8051 microcontroller that we are going to study in this topic. The advantages of microcontroller is that as it is a single chip microcomputer, it can be used for dedicated functions. Also, they are used as independent controllers in various machines. It can be used in low-cost products such as toys, doorbells, etc. A microcontroller on a single chip includes central processing unit, read-write memory, read-only memory, so they can be used as a microcomputer. Applications of microcontroller are, that means in real time, where they can be used. The very first point is keyboard of a personal computer are implemented with a microcontroller. Our next point is low cost products such as toys, electric bells, electric drills, microwave oven, VCR. Here microcontrollers are used. In third point, microcontrollers are used in machine tools, chemical processors and medical instruments such as CT scan or MRI. Our last point is microcontrollers are also used in mechanism of electronic system, music system and home security system. It is also used in our day-to-day life. Important questions for 12th standard students is main features of 8051 microcontroller. What are the features of microcontroller 8051? These are number one, an 8-bit ALU. It has 8-bit arithmetic logic unit, 4 KB of read-only memory or EEPROM, erasable programmable ROM. Third point is 128 byte of RAM. The difference between 4 KB of ROM is present and 128 byte of RAM is present. So that is the difference. Next is dual 16-bit timer event counter. 32 input output lines are present which are used or with 4-bit 8-bit input output ports. It addresses 64 KB of program memory and 64 KB of data memory. It has 111 powerful instruction sets. The next point is full featured serial board. It has clock up to 12 megahertz of frequency. And the last is two external interrupts are present. So these are the main features of 8051 microcontroller. In the next video, we will see the architecture of 8051 and also the memory register map of 8051 microcontroller. Thank you for watching.